And welcome to a game that really should have pulses racing. Every reason to believe this will be enthralling. I'm Derek Ray, and sharing commentary with me, as usual, is Stuart Robson. And every reason to believe we're in for an entertaining match here. It's Vålerenga versus Vélez Sarsfield.
Thanks, Derek. Well, both managers will be reminding their players of starting the game quickly, pinning the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible. Hopefully we get a really good game here.
This is how it looks for the home side.
Well, 4-4-2 is a good formation if it's played well. It covers most of the bases defensively, and if you can then rotate your positions when you regain possession, you can also be fluid in attack. Let's hope we see that today.
This is how the visitors will set up today.
Well, in this shape, if their wide players stay high up the pitch and get enough of the ball, it's a very attacking lineup. But if they drop too deep, they will then leave the centre-forward isolated, and it could be difficult for them.
And this confrontation is underway. Now, let's see what they can do here. And space for the cross. Real defensive commitment there. And a chance for him on the flank. And now passing it through. Giving it a try. And the keeper getting across to stop it. And he's fired over the corner. Well, it still could be dangerous. Now he must favour the cross. And possession lost, intercepted. What attacking possibilities. Can he put them in front? Yes is the emphatic answer. And you have to say it was on the cards.
Let's see this again, because the delivery into the box couldn't be any better. Played into just the right area, and what a great finish it is. Struck with power and accuracy, certainly no stopping that.
So the match has restarted, 1-0 here. And scope for them to produce something exciting. A good and fair challenge. And with that, the attack fizzles out. In the right place to cut out the pass. They might be onto something. Oh, but cutting it out in the nick of time. Moreira. And do they mean business on this occasion? It looks promising. Oh, that is a majestic goal! Volleyed home with precision and style. Superbly done.
Well, as you can see here, the build-up is patient, it's precise and penetrative, which opens up the opposition, while the movement in the box is equal to it. It's such good timing. What a goal.
So 2-0 now. Good vision. Can he get onto this? Great work defensively, but still the chance. And he read it well defensively. Oh, showing excellent vision. A goal as they cut into their advantage. Still plenty of life in this match.
Well, here we can see it again. It's a beautifully weighted ball behind the back line, and he makes no mistake with the finish. He showed a lot of composure there.
And the ball is moving again. Anyone's guess how this is going to finish. 2-1 currently. And in possession, Moreira. And take it away. A chopping challenge, and the referee has got to have a big think about it. Well, the referee has decided to book him.
Well, it's not a good challenge, and quite rightly, he gets a yellow card for that.
Running with the ball confidently. Dangerous ball. Trailing as they are, they must make good use of this corner. Who's going to get on the end of it? Good work to win it back high up the pitch. Moreira. Showing good defensive judgment. It comes to nothing in the end. Will he play it in? And it might be. In it goes! Delighted to be two in front. Things look good for them now.
Well, here it is, 1v1 against the keeper, and the outcome was never really in doubt. He never looked like missing that.
So back underway at 3-1. 2 minutes of stoppage time coming up. There to take it away. And with that, the first half draws to a close. Well, there's a good reason why we're highlighting him. He's really dominating in attack in this game, Stuart.
Well, he's scored good goals, but his all-round play has been excellent. He looks like scoring every time he gets on the ball.
And this confrontation is underway. Giving it a... As anticipated, plenty of talking points so far. And now the second half is underway. Beautifully weighted ball. Well cleared away. Really good interception. Well, the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. Oh, lovely ball. And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save. Delivering it. Not away completely. And the emphasis is on creativity. It has to be. Well, high and more than a bit hopeful. Substitution time it is here. And slipped through beautifully. Now he must get it out of there. Could be threatening. Could pull one back here. A really intense pressure applied.
Well, there it is. The hosts haven't had that much of the ball, but their speed of attack when they win the ball back has been breathtaking. It's been a really good performance from them so far.
Well, they keep working away, looking for passing lanes. Promising position, this. Oh, surely. And that's a very good parry. Now can they counter clinically? Might be a chance here. Oh, yes! It's gone in! And now a chance for them to revel in the moment.
Well, we won't get tired of watching this because the interplay around the box is wonderful and his movement's so clever. Once he gets onto it, there's only one thought in his head: smash it as hard as possible. What a good goal.
Three-two it is. Who would have predicted that before a ball was kicked? 20 minutes to go. Sese. Good-looking sequence. And possibilities here. In the right place to cut out the pass. Could be troublesome. Can he make it count? Well, the keeper reacted magnificently. And good pressure high up the pitch. Can he put it away? Well, misfiring without any shadow of a doubt. So a personnel change then. On the attack in the closing phase. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. And in possession, Moreira. Oh, that's a fine pass. Options in the middle. And we need to get tighter here. Well read to put an end to that attack. And the pass could do damage, and just has to remain calm. Well, when all was said and done, he's failed to hit the target. And it is substitution time at this juncture, not just from one side, but from both. So 3 minutes of stoppage time it'll be. And he takes it away. Moreira. It looks promising. And there it is, the final whistle, and the fans will be leaving the stadium with smiles on their faces.
Well, Derek, it was a tight game. Both sides had their moments and chances, but overall, they just about shaded it. A well-earned victory.
Well, we're focusing on him for a reason. Played with real authority in attack, Stuart.
Well, he looked a top-class player today. Every time he touched the ball, he was a threat. And he worked so hard for the team as well. What a good display that was.